Good morning, students. Today we discuss about the modern periodic table. Modern periodic table of the elements. Modern periodic table or long form of periodic table or Moseley periodic table. Moseley introduced the atomic number. Moseley introduced the atomic number of an atom of element. This atomic number is more fundamental property than atomic weight. Atomic number is the more fundamental property than atomic weights. What is meant by Mendeleev periodic law? Mendeleev periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic weights. Atomic weights. The Mendeleev periodic table is also called a short form of periodic table. Short form of periodic table. So Moseley introduced the atomic number of an element. What is meant by atomic number? The number of positive charges present in the atom. The number of positive charges present in the atom of an element. It is called its atomic number. Positive charge is called proton. Proton. The number of protons present in atom, it is called atomic number. Denoted by letter capital Z. Capital Z. So atomic number is the more fundamental property than its atomic weight. Okay, students. Now the number of atomic number is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. Atomic number is equal to the number of atoms, or protons number is equal to the number of electrons in an atom. So the electron is the more fundamental. Now electron is the more fundamental property of an atom. Of an atom. So the modern periodic law or Moseley periodic law or long form of periodic law state that Moseley periodic law, long form of periodic law or modern periodic law state that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic functions of their electronic configuration. We know electronic configuration, the systematic arrangement of electrons in an atomic orbitals of an atom. That is electronic configuration. We know 1 to 30 elements at electronic configuration of 1 to 30 elements. Hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon, potassium, calcium, scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper and zinc. These are the 1 to 30 elements. Okay, we know the electronic configuration of these 1 to 30 elements. Okay, based on electronic configuration of elements of an atom, the elements are arranged in the modern periodic table or long form of periodic table or Moseley periodic table. Moseley, important scientist, Moseley introduced the atomic number of element with his X-ray scattering experiment. With his X-ray scattering experiment, Moseley introduced the atomic number of an element. What is the atomic number? The number of protons or the number of positive charges present in atom. It is called its atomic number denoted by letter capital Z. Okay, this is the modern periodic table. This is the modern periodic table or long form of periodic table. This consists of this top to bottom. Top to bottom. Top to bottom are called groups. From top to bottom are called groups. Top to bottom are called groups. There are 18 groups are present. 18 groups. Top to bottom. Top to bottom. Top to bottom in a period elements present in a top to bottom in a period modern period table are called groups. These are also called vertical columns. 18 vertical columns present in modern periodic table. 18 vertical columns. So these 18 vertical columns are called groups. Or top to bottom are called groups. There are 7 horizontal rows. There are 7 horizontal rows. First one hydrogen. First one hydrogen to helium. Hydrogen, helium. hydrogen here, first one hydrogen, last one helium. This is the first horizontal row contain two elements. The horizontal rows are called the horizontal lithium to neon, sodium to argon. These horizontal rows are called periods. Vertical columns are called groups. There are 18 vertical columns present in 18 groups present in modern periodic table. There are 7 horizontal rows. 7. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth, sixth, 7. 7 horizontal rows. 7 horizontal rows from left to right. These 7 horizontal rows are called periods. Okay, there are 18 groups present in a modern periodic table, and there are 7 periods present in modern periodic table. So in a group, addition of one extra shell from one element to another element, from hydrogen to lithium. Addition of one extra shell. For example, hydrogen, atomic number 1 we know. Electronic configuration 1s1 we know. Here 1 is the first shell, K shell. So in the second element, in the same first group, second element, lithium, we know atomic number lithium 3. Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s1. Here 2s1 second shell, L shell. 2s1 second shell, L shell. Here in the same first group, third element sodium. We know atomic number of sodium 11. 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Here third shell enter, M shell entering in the sodium atom. So from top to bottom in a group, we go top to bottom in a group. Addition of one extra shell. Here hydrogen, K shell, lithium, L shell, sodium, M shell, potassium, N shell, so on. Addition of one extra shell from top to bottom in a group. Okay students, in any group, there are 18 groups. In any group, addition of one extra shell from one element to another element, Okay students, in a period there are 7 periods are present in periodic table. First period contain two elements. Hydrogen and helium. Second period contain 8 elements. From lithium to neon. Lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, 8 elements. Third period also contain 8 elements. Sodium, magnesium. Here sodium, magnesium. This is aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Third period contain 8 elements. Fourth period contain 18 elements. Fourth period contain from left to right. Fourth period contain 18 elements. Fifth period also contain 18 elements. Fifth period students. Fifth period from left to right. Also contain 18 elements. Sixth period contain 32 elements. Sixth period contain 32 elements. What sir? Fourth period and fifth period contain 18 elements. Sixth period also contain 18 elements sir. 32 elements ఎలా possible sir? Doubt వస్తుంది మనకి. So here atomic number 57 lanthanum. Next element is 72. Atomic number 57 lanthanum. Next element in the sixth period, hafnium. The gap between lanthanum and hafnium is from 58 to 71. Here 58, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63. Sorry. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. So we add from atomic number 52 to 71 in between lanthanum and hafnium. So that's why the sixth period contain 32 elements. Seventh period is incomplete period. Seventh period is incomplete period. Okay, first period contain 2 elements, second period contain 8 elements, third period, fourth period also contain 8 elements, fourth period, fifth period contain 18 elements, sixth period contain 32 elements. Seventh period is incompleted. Okay, here 1A and 2A group elements groups are designated by Roman letters 1A 2, 2A 2, 8A, 7A and 8A. Students, 7A 0 means here 8A or 0. 7A, 8A. Roman letters 7A to 8A. Are numericals groups designated by the numericals 1, 2, 3 to 18, 17, 18. Groups designated by numericals 1 to 18. Arabic numbers, Roman numbers 1A to 8A or 0, 1A to 0. It consists of A group and B group. A group and B group. Here 1A and 2A group elements are called 1A, 2A. First group and second group elements are called S block elements. This is because the incoming electron or valence electron present in s orbital only. That's why the first group and the second group elements are called s block elements, because the valence electrons or incoming electron present in or enter into s orbital only in 1A and 2A group elements. Here 3A to 7A, this is the students 8A, 0 or 8A. From 3A to 8A, elements are called. These are all elements are called P block elements. This is because the valence electrons or incoming electron or differentiating electron enter into the p orbital only. The last orbital, p orbital, valence orbital, p orbital. In between 3A to 8A elements. These are all elements are p block elements. This is because valence electrons are present in p orbital. Both s and p orbital, p block elements, both 1A, 2A group elements are called s block elements. 3A to 7A and 8A group elements are called p block elements. Both s block and p block elements are called representative elements. This is because these elements only participate in the chemical reaction. That's why S block elements and P block elements. These are P block elements. 3A to 8A. P block elements. 1A to 2A. S block elements. S block elements. Both S and P block elements are called. S and P block elements are called representative elements. Representative elements. This is because these S and P block elements only participate in the chemical reactions. The elements lies between S and P block elements. These elements are called, the elements lies between S block elements and P block elements are called D block elements. D block elements. These elements are called D block elements. 3B, 1B2, 1B2, 8B, 1B2, 8B. These elements are called D block elements. This is because the valence electrons or a differentiating electron or incoming electron present into the enter into the D orbital only. That's why these elements are called D block elements. These elements are called D block elements. Student, 1A, 2A group elements are called. First group and the second group elements are called S block elements. 3A to 8A, this is the 0 group, 8A group. 3A to 8A group elements are called P block elements. P block elements. Both S block and P block elements are called representative elements. The elements lies between the S block and P block elements. These elements are called D block elements. D, small d block element. This is because the valence electron or differentiating electron or incoming electron enter into D orbital only. That's why these elements are called B elements are called D block elements. The elements lies bottom of the periodic table. The element lies these elements. The elements lies bottom of the periodic table are called F block elements. Small f block elements. F block elements. This is because the valence electron or the differentiating electron or incoming electron enter into the F orbital only. So these elements are called F block elements. F block elements are lies bottom of the periodic table. F block elements also consist of lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides from atomic number cesium 2, atomic number lithium. So Ce2Lu elements are called lanthanoids. LANTHONIDS, lanthanoids. Atomic number from thorium 2, lawrecium are called lanthanides and actinoids. ACTINOIDS, actinoids. Atomic number from 58 to 71 are called lanthanides. Atomic number from 90 to 103 is called actinoids. Both lanthanides and actinides are called F block elements. And again 4F elements. 4F. This cesium 2 lutetium 71. 58 to 71 are called 4F elements. From thorium to lawrecium 5F elements. So students, here first group, second group elements are called beryllium family. First group elements are called hydrogen family. Second group elements are called beryllium family. Third A group elements are called, third A group, not B group, students. Third A group elements are called boron family. Fourth A group elements are called carbon family. Fifth A group elements are called nitrogen family. Sixth A group elements are called oxygen family or chalcogen family. Chalcogen, CHLCOGN, chalcogen family. Seventh A group elements are called halogen family. HALO, halogen, halogen family. Seventh A group elements are called halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Most important student. Seventh A group elements are called halogen family. Eighth A group, 0 means here eighth A. Eighth A group elements are called inert gas family. Inert gas, most important. Inert gas family, helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon and radon. Inert gas family. Inert gas family. Okay, totally the modern period table consists of 18 groups and 7 periods. 7 periods. Each period end with inert gas. Helium is inert gas. Lithium to second lithium to neon. Lithium to neon. Sodium to argon. Potassium to krypton. And rubidium to xenon, etc. Each period end with inert gas. Seventh period is incompleted period. Seventh period is incompleted period. Incompleted period. First period contain 2 elements. Second and third period contain 8 elements. Third and fourth period contain 18 elements. Sixth period contain 32 elements. 32. These 18 elements and also add the 50 atomic number from 51 to 70, 58 to 71 between lanthanum and hafnium. So totally 32 elements present in sixth period. Seventh period is incomplete period. Incomplete period. Okay, students. 1A, 2A, 2A group elements are called S block elements. 3A to 8A elements are called P block elements. Both elements are called representative elements. The elements lies between S and P block elements are called D block elements. The elements lies bottom of the periodic table are called F block elements. F block elements consist of lanthanides and actinides. Lanthanides from atomic number 58 to 71. Actinides from atomic number 98 to 103. 103. 4F elements are called lanthanides. 5F elements are called actinoids. Okay, students, we will discuss the modern periodic table in the next class.